Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Serena B here, and today I'm going to show you how I made this fast 6x12 one little word layout for my Project Life 2018 album. So I'm going to be using the Tombow Xtreme adhesive to glue everything down. This is an older Felicity Jane black and white paper, and I'm just going to add this hard polka dot pattern paper from my Love Bites collection. I'll have my shop link down below in case you want to check it out. And so I'm just going to be adding these two photos of me that I took on Christmas, and this is all about my one little word, which is love. And one of my mottos for this year is walk forward in love. I have a couple of other ones. I'm planning on doing a one little word video for you guys soon and prepare my vision board. I have yet to do my vision board, that is why there's no video yet, but I'm gonna get to it, and there's no rush. I don't feel like just because it's January I have to get it done. I'm still prepping for my vision board, and I'm thinking I'm going to do a one little word mini album also, so when I have more stuff figured out, make a video for you guys. So I'm just writing the title here with these glittery foam thickers from Sticko. I absolutely love these. I wish I had a lot more of these. They're my favorite. When I have larger titles like this to put on a layout, I like to spell it out on some clear plastic beforehand. That way you can move it around and try the different placements to see where you like it the most. So I decided to go with this placement, and so I'm just gluing it down, and I did fast forward this little part because it was just kind of tedious. To embellish the page, I am going to be adding some washi tape that I have in my stash. I want to start using more washi tape on projects like I used to, so I really like the look of this here. And to further decorate, I'm going to be using stickers. I'm using some from We Are Memory Keepers from the Urban Chic collection that came out a couple years ago. I use the heart glasses and the XOXO, and then you'll see later I add an I Love You sticker, and that's from an older crepe paper collection, the Hello Love one. So those are the stickers I used to embellish, and then I did use a flower clear sticker from a MAMBI sticker book, and then to finish it off, I do go and add some iridescent bling and some glittery pink enamel dots, so you'll see that shortly. And I'll make sure to have all the products I used linked down below in the description bar in case you're interested in picking them up for yourself as well. So that is it. This layout did not take me long to do at all, and I really love how it turned out. It's so me, you know, with the black and white and the pink and the purple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want more Project Life videos or more layout videos like this, please let me know, and I'll definitely make more videos for you guys. Thanks so much for being here today. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!